You want to know how to make an AI agent that extracts keywords? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website and just simply head towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be under this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, make sure you are under the deployment tab, and here you can just simply name the AI anything. I'm just going to name it extractor. So you can just simply write this on the prompt right here. Now once extractor is entered, as you can see right here, your agent should get started with generation, and after a while it should stop generating and create you an actually good keyboard, as you can see right here on top. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.